Here is the 2012 to 2016 Honda CR-V. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Max Automotive for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Toronto, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Go ahead and open the passenger side door. Now we need to open up the glove box. Whatever's in the glove box, get it out. We need the glove box to be empty for this job. Okay, now get to the side. There's a dampener arm over there. So just push it down, get it out, and then push it in. So just get it out of the way. Now we need to squish the glove box from both the sides at the same time. So squish it, and that way we'll get it out of the way. So squish it, and that's it. See, now the glove box can be lowered. It's off and it won't go anywhere. It's okay, leave it. Now in there you will find the black cover. That's the cover for the cabin air filter. To get it out, we need to squish it from the side. Let's take a closer look. Squish it off, and the other side. Get both those clips off, and there it is. That's the white cabin air filter. Just grab it and pull it out. It should come out straight. There it is. That is the cabin air filter. Let's take a closer look at it. Now if you notice that the top side of it is going to be dirty with all the dirt and all the different particulates, because outside air comes from the top, the dirt gets trapped over there, the clean air goes out into the car from the bottom side. So top side is dirty, bottom side is clean. There's even an arrow over there marking the airflow direction from top to bottom. Get the new filter. Now it may look like it's a square size, but it's not. It's a rectangle. One side is slightly longer than the other. Now in my case, the proper orientation is that the inseams should go from left to right. But if you have a different model, it may be different. Either way, put it in. If you see that the edges are sticking out, that's okay. You just have to take it out, spin it around, and then put it in. But do keep it in mind, it's like a rectangle, not a square. For now, I'm going to slide it in the proper way I know. See, nothing is sticking out. That's looking good. Get the cover, put it on over there, and just press from both the sides. Clip, and that's it. Try pulling it out. No, that's solid. Now let's put the glove box back on. All you have to do is get it in position, give it a bit of a push, and it's clicked in place. Now let's not forget to get that dampener arm back on. Pull it out, get it in position, and then push from the bottom. You can sort of push it upwards towards you. That's it. Clip. Let's try this out now. That is looking good. And that is pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was? Hope you found the video useful.